I'll be talking about 5 AI websites, and on these websites, guys, you can earn $20 to $50 per hour. And guys, now to actually get started, guys, I want you to simply grab your pen and your jotter and let's get into the logic. So the first website on our list is simply called MyJobMag.com. So as you can see right here, we have different jobs right there. So as you can see, we have the first one, which is digital marketing, growth, and AI manager, ICS Outsourcing Limited, and this was posted on the 25th of June, and the location right there is Lagos. And we have the next one, which is the PHP backend developer, and this was posted on 24th June. The location right there is Lagos. So we have a whole lot of them: lead full stack engineer, AI automation, and product development. And now, as you can see right here, so but to actually get started, guys, I want you to come to where you see Nigeria. So if you're watching from Ghana, Kenya, South Africa, UK, you can simply change your location right here. Maybe you want Ghana, you simply want to tap on Ghana. And if you want a job, as you see, I do not want to continue. All right. So I just want to continue with Nigeria. All right. So as you can see, I switched to Nigeria right here. I can also filter by location, by education, and so on. So you want to come to where you say detailed search right here. So by detailed search, you can simply come to this place. All right, you can enter the field right here. If you want agriculture, if you want aviation, banking, bursary, caregiver, construction, consultancy, and so on, education right there, you can specify right there the location. If you want in Abuja, if you want Abuja, Baisa, and so on, you can specify the company and so on, and you'll be able to get access to the available jobs. So as you can see, this was posted today, which is 26 June. So guys, this is something you can simply get access to. All right. So now the second website is simply called AICareers.ng. So now you can get access to more than 5,000 trusted jobs. And guys, you simply want to scroll down right here and check their popular job categories. They have the AI academia, AI engineer, AI researcher, AI scientist. So now, as you can see the feature jobs right there. So guys, you just want to filter by coming to this. If you want AI academia, AI engineer, AI researcher, AI scientist. So you want to come to all categories and check it out. And you can also get more information by coming to their blog right there. So guys, the thing about this website is you have to be consistent. All right, consistency is key to getting jobs right here on the AICareers.ng. So guys, this is the second website. I'll be moving to the third website, and the third website is simply called AIJobs. So the AI job board built for AI talent. So you can join the official AI job board marketplace that connects AI talent with AI jobs. So right here they have the available jobs right here, the latest AI job listings. They have the cyber security right here. They have research right here for the senior plus software engineer. They have principal software engineer, system software engineer, and this was posted 11 hours ago. This one 11 hours ago, 10 hours ago, and so on. So guys, you can go through it and apply to the one of your choice. All right. So you want to make sure you check the location. Make sure you share the location. So now another one right there is Willow data. So now guys, you can simply train AI and get paid using Willow AI. So to actually get started right here on this platform, you simply want to scroll down and come to where you say corporate careers. So you want to tap on corporate careers and you'll be redirected to this new page right there. So you can filter right here location type by location, by Willow data right here, by the work type. All right. So now these are the available AI operations right here. So we have Korean, Japanese, Spanish video quality specialist. So you can simply go through all of them. right there. They have the quality analyst lead right there. So please, guys, you can simply go through it, and you want to be consistent with this. It is very important. All right. So, guys, this is the fourth website, and of course, I know you're going to love the last one on our list. And the last on our list is simply called JumpTask.io. So, guys, on JumpTask, you can earn money online by completing tasks. So, one simple task at a time. JumpTask is an online earning platform built for anyone. You simply want to watch videos, train AI, complete micro tasks, or engage in social media and get paid for all of it. And this is totally free, and that is the good thing about this one. So now, as you can see right here, you can simply earn using this platform. So you want to pick a task, complete it, and get paid. And you can simply watch videos, and typical payout is between 50 cents to $15 per video. You can simply watch videos and get paid. You can train AI. So you simply typical earnings varies by task. You simply help improve AI by doing simple tasks like labeling images, solving captchas, or reviewing content. Instructions are clear and easy to follow. These tasks take a bit more focus, but they usually pay more. All right, and now another one right here is complete micro tasks. Typical earnings 1 cent to $5 per task. So this is amazing. Social earning right there. Typical earnings right there, 50 cents to $5 per tax. So you just want to start simple, learn as you go. So you can start your first task by clicking on this. So this is how to actually get started. You want to create your free account, pick a task and complete it, cash out when you're ready. All right. So now this is simply amazing, and this is what you simply earn. You earn crypto. And guys, this is the minimum payout 0.5 JMPT, and you simply get paid to your crypto wallet directly. So guys, this is what I have for you in this video. If you got value, please, I want you to like, subscribe, and share with your friend out there. So guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you right in the next one.